New day, new video. Remember the date, September 2017. September 2017. Why is that important if you're buying a vacuum cleaner? Well, the answer is legislation changed. You could no longer buy a vacuum that had a certain amount of decibels because it was deemed as being too loud and the motor couldn't have a certain amount. Now, what those decibels are and what the motor power is, I do not know. But I know 2017 is the date that it all changed. So for me, in my humble opinion, the best vacuum cleaner to buy is an old one pre-2017, because the motor is better, stronger, and it is probably going to give you, well, it's definitely going to give you, in my opinion, better results. So, where to get them? You can buy refurbished ones on Amazon. You can get them second hand on marketplaces. Excuse me. You can get them on Gumtree. You can get them anywhere. Car boot sales. People sell them. And today, for free, I have got this. A new old vacuum cleaner. It's a Dyson DC33. I got this for spares and repairs. Spares and repairs. I've literally just taken it out of the car after picking it up. Picked it up in a nice affluent area of Glasgow. Spares and repairs. The woman that gave it to me said it doesn't pick anything up anymore. So the thing with these is every part is serviceable. All serviceable. So usually if something's wrong, it can be fixed. I know nothing about Dyson hoovers other than pre-2017. They're good. Dysons are good in general, but post-2017 they started doing things like roller balls, which in my own opinion is gimmicky. Hoses. Oh, you can already see that there's a cut in the hose. So that's one. Maybe that's why it's not picking things up. I do not know. Just to pre-warn you, this video you may find extremely boring. But it's the kind of thing I like when I make videos about the stuff that I like. So here it is. Hopefully it's of interest to someone. So what I'm going to do is turn it on for the first time. I'm sure it will switch on, excuse me, and I'll take it from there. I'll do a complete, I suppose, novice examination of it. See if I can get it working. No tools, obviously. I don't know what the tools would look like, but yeah, I'm going to switch it on. Put you in a wee holder. There we go. And I will switch the thing on. Bring it into the picture. There's that. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Cable. Seems in okay condition. The clip's still on it. That's it in the off position. Plugged in. Noise warning. It's working. The motor sounds fine. There is suction from here, but the roller's not turning. So we'll need to check out what that is. There's a switch on it. Here, you can see that. Carpet. Oops. Carpet. Hard floor. Carpet. I'll try it with that on from the start. Yeah. And as you can see, that is turning. Yeah, it's now turning. I had it on hard floor. There's 2 settings, hard floor and carpet. And it does seem to be picking up. So, let's just take a closer look at the bottom. It's picking up, it's switching on. Seems to be not too bad. I mean, it's a functioning hoover at the moment. So, I'm going to pause this, get a better look at the bottom. Right, we're in a small stand now. We can get a much better view of this. It looks like a filter. That's obviously not doing anything. What is that? A catch? Some kind of wee catch latch or something. Filter. Check all these things. Put the wee catch up here. And we will turn the motor over. And I think I see why it's not picking anything up. The brush is absolutely caked, covered in long blonde hair. And whatever else. So, I need to figure out how to get this off. I take it there's 1, 2, 3, and that seems to be the only thing holding it on. Whether I'm right about that or not, I'll soon find out. Okay, this is the first thing I'm going to try. Pause for now. Back in business. Got myself a screwdriver and a knife, ready to do business. Let's see what we can do here. 1. These seem to be just half turns. 1, 2, 3. Is that going to come off? Yes, it is. That is quite dirty. And I'll give it a wee wipe. But here is the main event. That is absolutely bogging. And I'm not surprised it wasn't picking anything up. That is filthy. It really is. It's got an angle there. So, don't know if this is the correct method or not, but I'm going to attempt to get rid of this without touching it as much as possible. exhausts on here. String. Well, this actually comes off. I wonder if I could just take this off and do it. Don't know if this is wise. Is it wise? Probably not, but I got it for free anyway. I do want to use it, so let's hope that that belt is really tight. Really tight. Jeez, oh. How the hell do you get this off? Executive decision, I'm not taking the belt off. I'm sure that that's another serviceable part on the thing, but there must be a technique for it. But that belt is super tight. Super duper tight. So I'm not doing that at the moment until I know what I'm doing. So, here, off you come. Off you come. There's so much here. It's all human hair. Thank goodness it's not dog hair. It would actually smell bad. Smells of nothing really, which is making it almost just bearable. This is a huge bit. Jesus God. Excuse my language. No wonder this thing wasn't picking in that. That is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Don't know how much it is for a new brush. But the bristles actually seem quite good condition. Just covered in here. So I hope, but possibly this is one of the causes of the non-picking up issue. This side you can't even see the bristles. This side is matted is an understatement. You cannot even see the bristles. Let me get through that. Probably years of human hair accumulation that is now about to be gone. No wonder this wasn't picking it up. I am literally going to try this as soon as I've done this and see what it's like. I mean, for those of us born in the late 80s, 90s, will remember how a Dyson changed my life, because these things, when these came on the market, it really was, well, not to sound too sad, but it was life-changing for households. These bagless vacuum cleaners that were colourful and looked the part were all of a sudden accessible to everyone, and they really do a number on the floors. They really do. So I've actually got some pictures of the advert that was placed And you'll see it was advertised spares and repairs. I'm not sure how this goes back in. It was maybe a mistake to take it out. You need to watch a wee tutorial or something. I'm going to give it a more thorough clean. A much more thorough clean. But it's already 100% better than it was. 100% better. Rolls back on. That is rolling back on. Right, where does that sit? It seems to have a wee housing right there. And I'm assuming that's where it goes. It is. That's it back in place. Right, I'm going to take this off. Because this hopefully has done the trick for the non-picking up aspect of it, as was stated in the advert. So back on with this, hopefully, with this little guy. I can figure it out, I should be able to figure it out. What does that do? Where does that sit? Alright, it sits in there. That's sitting square, that's sitting square. So is that, so is that. Oh, something clicked into place. Fingers crossed. Tighten that one. Half turn, half turn, half turn. 100% better. Wow. 100% better. No hair. I will clean this more thoroughly. Possibly do it in a video. Stage 1 done. I'm just going to leave this here. And can I leave this here? Open so. Nope. Pause. I'm going to put you back in the original holder. And we're back. Turn this round. Still on the right setting. Turn it on. That is having no problem picking anything up at all. Let me see if there's something that I can use to demonstrate that. I don't think there is, unfortunately. But aye, that is way better. Way better. Unfortunately, there's nothing. But I could feel it actually sitting or sticking to the. Got sticking to the rug. It was absolutely 100% better. That's just a functioning hoover now. Functioning hoover for free. Spares and repairs. This wee clip. I'm not actually sure. I'm going to take a closer look at that actually. But as far as the pickup's concerned, that's fixed. That is picking up, no problem whatsoever. But you can see it. You can see it in there. That's picking up no problem at all. Full of dust. Full of dust. Yep. Okay. Next I'm going to look at what that wee clip was in closer detail. But yep, that's fixed. The pickup is as good as gold. The wee clip, this wee clip that's pinged off was on here, in there. So it was holding this filter in. So I'm assuming, I don't know how many filters it's got, but it's keeping that in place. That's where it's came off of. But I'm thinking it's just sitting on that wee ridge. Wee ridge there. So it's technically not a big deal if it's there or if it's not. So that's a bonus. Filter could be doing me a clean. Good thing about these Dyson filters is you just take them out, you can put them in the washing machine. I'll be giving that a clean as well. And they're good as gold. Just a sponge. So I'll clean that later. But that's not, it doesn't look too bad. And that clip I'm not too worried about. I think this is going to go back in. I think, maybe not. No. What's on the end there? That's in. That's in. It's now in place. Nice seal. Happy with that. What next? There's another. That's fine. That just needs a clean. Here, this looks like another filter. That looks like a hinge. So we'll open on the reverse side. Yep. Opens up. Filter. Don't know if that's good or bad. Don't know if that can be cleaned. Don't know if it needs to be replaced, but I'll find out. Either way, inside looks clean. Is that a good sign or not? I don't know. I don't know anything about Dysons, other than the early ones are the good ones. And this DC33 is one of the last good ones made, so I'm delighted to get it. What else? No blockages in there. No, can see through that. That just takes you up to here, and no blockages in there. Puts back into place. Pray there's no tools. I don't know what this does. I don't know what that does. Oh, I do know. I do now. Clips that off. Okay, put that back up there for the moment. And I'm going to put this, sorry for the moving about, I'm going to put this back in its wee holder. Magic. So, this one, oh, if that's maybe clipped in or not. So first of all, that has got a huge crack in it. see some dust falling down. So there's at least one massive crack. I don't know what. This does some, oh, so that extends up. Ah, so that's like a cleaner for up things that are up high. Good. That seems to be locked in place. I'll put it down for now, cap back on, put it down to the side. There's another huge hole right here. So that is not the best. Maybe this is, I said it wasn't picking up. So I don't think that would have been the issue. There's no holes in this one. This one's okay. This looks like another, and it is. Nice and clear so that you can see what's going on. Looks good to me. Put it back on. Well, like I said earlier, good thing about Dyson's is all of these parts are serviceable. There's a clip there. Whether that gets this off, should do. Two hands for it. Oh, there it goes. So this comes off. Now I'm not sure if I can buy the whole assembly or if it's just the hose that you get. But I know this is a serviceable part. It has to be. Hey, picks up well. The motor runs fine. The filters need a clean. This part, I might try and fix the clip, even though I'm sure that it doesn't. It's not going to be the be all end all if it comes out. Because once the suction's happening, that'll hold it in place. I might try and fix that. Is it worth spending the money for a hose? I think so. So I'm going to see how much one is and order one and get back. I'm going to spend the money. Whatever it is. I would probably spend 20 quid for that, so I got it for free. I'm going to do it. If the hose is less than £20, which it will be, I'm sure. Okay. I'm going to order one and get back to you. It is 2 days later and £8 lighter. Old hose, absolutely irreparable damage to the hose. There was numerous cuts in it. It was just too much to even attempt. I'm sure if you had infinite time you'd find a way of doing it, but £8 for a hoover I got for free, no problem. Here we have a new, hopefully, DC33. What's this? Replacement washing inlet. I don't know why that's in there. However, here's the main event. Here is what I ordered. Fresh from, not the Dyson factory, I'm imagining. Bit of cardboard in here, don't know why. I'll take that out. The hose, seems okay. In comparison to this one, yeah, very similar. I mean, materials seem very similar. Seems pretty robust. That's not complaining about the quality of that at all. That is £8 well spent. I'm going to clip it in, hopefully it's doing the job for me. I'll just turn you around so that we're back over here. There we go. Actually, that's a bit better. I'll bring the hoover into view. So my free hoover had loads of human blonde hair blocking it up, loads of it, and it also had huge cracks. A bit of work with a Stanley knife. How do you get this off again? That's like that. But what, a Stanley knife and a new hose connector that hasn't been connected yet, so I'm not. And the first bit is in place solidly. Yeah, it comes out as well. In, out, no problem at all. Yep, happy with that. And second part is in. This is in. I am pleased, very pleased. Give it a test. It's plugged in already. Excuse the noise. One slightly dirty but fully functioning Dyson pre-2017, September 2017 Dyson. Now, you can buy any hoover vacuum cleaner you want. Battery powered seems to be the big thing now. Everybody wants a battery powered hoover. They're all over the adverts. You know the brands, you know what they look like. They look great, lights flashing, LEDs, super powerful. None of them are as powerful as the motor that's in this. None of them will pick up. In my opinion, and it is my opinion, you get your high powered, battery powered hoover, go over your carpet, and then let me come over it with this. And I will pick up stuff. I will pick up dirt and whatever from your carpet that your electric or your roller ball cannot. It's as simple as that for me, it really is. So if you're looking for a hoover, get yourself a pre-2017 Dyson. You won't be disappointed. They're built to last. They are aesthetically pleasing. They are serviceable yourself. You can do it yourself. I know nothing about hoovers other than these are the best ones. The reason I know that, well, I can't actually say. and I don't mean to sound ridiculous there, but I have a friend who used to work there, and that was his opinion, and it's certainly made me think about it, and yeah, I think it's right. These are the business. Noise warning. Couldn't be happy with that, to be honest. Yep, happy with that. A free, fully functioning Dyson hoover, ready for another who knows how many years. I'll look after it, clean it regularly, clean the filters, and you shouldn't have any problems. Worth a thought if you're buying a Dyson, or if you're buying a hoover. These wee guys won't let you down. Thanks for watching my videos.